Get it to crawl.
Wait, no,
There it goes. There it goes. Get it.
What is that thing, dude? It looks like a little hat. Like, it's this tiny, because here's my finger. I'm going to do a size comparison.
Yo.
It's so small. Oh, I touched him. Dude, I don't know what that thing is. It's like a horror movie. Wait,
It
it's
looks
not
so
getting in focus.
weird. It's because it's so close. Ew.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Maybe it's just a regular bug covered in dirt. I don't know. It's a weird ass animal.
You know, yeah, doesn't it? It's what? I don't get it. And he's got a head. He has a head that moves,
It
dude.
looks like it's covered in dirt.
How do I get him in? He's got to go back up on the marble for me to get it. Dude, I haven't gotten a clear shot. It's always like blurry.
Oh, God. Yo, by the way, can I text Lonnie about work?
Yeah,
Or will he be weirded out if I start asking him about it?
not at all.
Because I need to work. I only have one class a week. And my mom is like paying my bills for me because I do shit for her around the house. But